After the Pixel 9 series was released a few months ago, everyone's attention is already on its eagerly awaited successor. The Pixel 10 series, like with every new Google release, has been the subject of a flurry of rumors, with leaks and early indications of the devices. The Pixel 10 lineup's codenames for each device in the series have already begun to leak, which is fairly exciting news. Frankel, which seems like a unique name, is the internal name for the Pixel 10 according to the most recent leaks. Expect a number of distinct models under the Pixel 10 umbrella, since it seems Google is continuing with the multi-device concept they launched with the Pixel 9 series. The Pixel 10 series may come in 4 distinct models: the original Pixel 10, the Pixel 10 Pro, the larger Pixel 10 Pro XL, and a new foldable device named the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, according to a report from Android News. There are also other code names that seem to correspond to these devices: Rango for the foldable, Mustang for the Pixel 10 Pro XL, Blazer for the Pixel X Pro, and Frankel for the regular Pixel 10. Does this mean that Google is putting a lot of effort into making foldable smartphones? With the popularity of devices like the Galaxy Z Fold, it seems that Google wants to join the trend by releasing its own version of a foldable Pixel device. A significant advancement in Google's hardware development, this move would demonstrate that the company is not only interested in following trends but also in maybe creating ones of its own. A prospective new device called the Pixel 9a, which would be the more affordable edition of the Pixel 9 family, has been hinted to in another leak. Consider it the more cost-effective alternative that allows customers to enjoy the core Pixel experience without going over budget. As a result, in addition to the flagship models, Google may provide additional alternatives for varying budgets, which is always beneficial for customers. According to rumors, Google's upcoming Tensor G5 processor will power the Pixel 10 series, which is an enormous advancement. For those who do not know, the G5 is predicted to be a radical redesign of Google's proprietary Tensor chip CPU. According to reports, the G5 will be Google's first entirely in-house designed processor. Previously, Google's Tensor chips were based on Samsung's Exynos architecture. The fact that Google is ramping up its hardware integration game and that the G5 is anticipated to bring about significant gains in performance and power efficiency makes this news noteworthy. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.